Minasan konnichiwa, Japanese teacher no Misha desu. 今日からレッスンは始めていくので、最後まで見てください。お願いします。Before you begin to study the grammar lesson 1, be sure that you study the vocabulary lesson 1. So you can apply that vocabulary to today's lesson, grammar 1, and have an idea how to use those vocabulary. So let's start with our first grammar pattern. S1 wa and 2 des. In Japanese hiragana, this wa is pronounced as ha, but pronounce it as wa if this ha used in a particles. Subject wa, noun des pattern. So what is a subject? A subject is a person or thing that is being discussed, described, or dealt with. Hence the nouns, a word used to identify any of a class of people, places, or things. Let's take a look for the examples to further understand this pattern. So the samples, number 1, Watashi wa Tina Santos desu. I am Tina Santos. So your subject here is I am, and your noun is Tina Santos. Number 2, Watashi wa American desu. Again, your subject is I am, and your noun is American. Then wa is your particle. Nouns used with des work as predicate. It's like it is, and indicating judgment or assertion. Also shows politeness towards the listener. Number 3, Tanaka-san wa isha desu. Mr. Tanaka is a doctor. Tanaka-san is your subject and isha is your noun. Next pattern is N1 wa N2 ja arimasen. Ja arimasen is the negative form of des. You can also use dewa arimasen as a negative form of des. Ja arimasen is often used in everyday conversation, while dewa arimasen is used in formal speech and writing. It means is not in English translation. Let's take a look for the examples to further understand this pattern. Number 1, I am not Tina Santos. Watashi wa Tina Santos ja arimasen. Watashi wa kyoshi de wa arimasen. I am not a teacher. We don't use sensei for ourselves. And we say kyoshi to ourselves if we introduce ourselves as a teacher. But we call others a teacher, a doctor, a politician as sensei. Next example, Mr. Santos is not a teacher. Sato-san wa sensei ja arimasen. You can also say Sato-san wa dewa arimasen. So you have to pronounce it dewa, not deha. Next pattern is N1 wa N2 desu ka. To simply form a question, you have to add ka at the end of the sentence. A question usually ends with a rising intonation. Sample number 1. Is Miss Tina an American? Tina-san wa America jin desu ka? Number 2. Is Miss Michelle a teacher? Mishiro-san wa sensei desu ka? Number 3. How old is Miss Maria? Maria-san wa nansai desu ka? Or Maria-san wa oikutsu desu ka? Oikutsu is a polite form of nansai. So if you're asking if Miss Tina is an American, you will ask, Tina-san wa America jin desu ka? So if it is yes, you just say, Hi, Tina-san wa America jin desu. And if Miss Tina is not an American, you just simply say, Iie, America ji, janai desu. Or, Iie, janai desu. Iie is a negative form, so you have to use janai desu. You cannot say, Hai, janai desu. In English grammar, ka is a question mark. Next pattern is this. Noun wa mo. Mo in English is also. Mo is used when the same thing applies as was stated previously. Okay, let's see for the example. Mr. Tanaka is a bank employee. Tanaka-san wa ginkoin desu. And then you will say, Miss Yamada is also a bank employee. So you have to say, Yamada-san mo ginkoin desu. The wa is replaced with the particle mo. And me too. I'm a bank employee. So you just can say, Watashi mo, meaning that you are also a bank employee. So the next sentence is, I am a researcher. So, watashi wa kenkyusha desu. Then if you want to say that Tina is also a researcher, you just simply say, China-san mo kenkyusha desu. Okay, so the next pattern is N1 no, N2. When a noun 1 modifies a following noun 2, no is used to connect the two nouns. No particles is used to connect two nouns, repetition of the nouns, possessions of the noun, and ownership of the nouns. Let's take a look for the examples to further understand this pattern. Mr. John is a CIA employee. John-san wa CIA no kaishain desu. This means that Mr. John is an employee of CIA. Okay, for the number 2, Teresa is a student of Yokohama University. Teresa-san wa Yokohama Daigaku no gakusei desu. Number 3 example, Yamada's mother is a high school teacher. Yamada-san no oka-san wa Koko no sensei desu. It has two no particles in one sentence, so it is possible. The Yamada's mother and a high school teacher. Next sample, Suzuki's phone number. Suzuki-san no denwa bango. My telephone number is 381015. Watashi no denwa bango wa 38 no ichirei ichigo. Next example, I have a black bag. Watashi wa kuroi kaban wo motteimasu. I have a red one too. Akai no motteimasu. So in this sentence, you don't need to repeat the word kaban. So you just say only the color of your bag that you have also. No is used to eliminate the repetition of the noun. In our last pattern for this lesson 1 grammar, san. San is added to the given name or family name of the listener, or a third person to show the speaker's respect to that person. It should never be used with the speaker's own name. Chang is added to small children names instead of san to indicate familiarity. San in English grammar is Mr., Miss, or Mrs. Let's take a look for the example. This is Teresa Santos. Kochira wa Sato-san Teresa-san desu. Number 2 example, that is Mr. Suzuki. Ano hito wa Suzuki-san desu. Number 3, how old are you, Miss Misaki? Misaki-san wa oikutsu desu ka? Or Osaki-san wa nansai desu ka? So this is the last pattern in our lesson 1 graph. Now let's practice the greetings commonly used in Japan. Ohayo, Ohayo, Konnichiwa, Konnichiwa, Konbanwa, Konbanwa, Sayonara, Sayonara, Oyasumi, Oyasumi, Arigato, Arigato, Sumimasen, Sumimasen, Iie, Iie, Hai, Hai, Onigaishimasu, Onigaishimasu, Ittekimasu, Ittekimasu. Itterashai. Itterashai. Tadaima. Tadaima. Okaeri nasai. Okaeri nasai. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Gochiso sama. Gochiso sama. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Please follow, like, and share the page link and expect more videos on how to learn Japanese in an effective way. Remember, there is no shortcut. You should learn step by step and know where to start, and this is how to start. You should learn first the necessary core before you proceed to advance. Ganbatte ne!